Guys, in this video I will show you how you can display such kind of 3D icons over map using Deckgl. So I am using Deckgl icon layer for this icons, and all these icons are just a transparent background PNGs. So I will show you how you can also use this icon layer step by step. Okay, so let's start our coding. So I already created this HTML document, and I am importing my Mapbox library and tech.gl library and XCS for loading my map.geojson file. So if you I already prepared my geojson file. Here you can see, and there are lot of points available here, and I will use this geojson for uh, this project. Okay, so here after importing all library, I am restructuring this text class and getting these two my box and icon layer from deck.gl, and I already created these amenities. I will tell you later in the course how we are going to use this array for our purpose. Okay, and here I am creating my map, and I am adding this to my web page. So let's see, is it visible for you or not? So let me start my server. Okay, so our map is loaded over my web page, and now we will add this icon layer. So I will refer to this Deck.gl official website for icon layer, and here you can see huge documentation is available here. So let me see. So I will copy this code from here, and I will paste it here. Okay, so here you can see we need some uh, PNG image, and I'm using default PNG first. And here, let me copy this icon mapping from variable from here. So here they define this thing. So I will copy it, and I will paste it here. Okay, so now I think we are done. Okay, for position, we want, if you see my map.geojson file, we have this position inside our geometry and coordinates object. So I will do it like that. So from t dot position, I will take the my geometry, and then coordinates. Okay, and color I will make it 200, and icon and everything is set. Okay, so let me add this layer inside my map. So map dot add layer, layer. Okay, I misspelled layer. Okay, okay, let me check it again, uh, if I am missing anything. Okay, so now I think we are done. Now we just need to add our data here. So I will add features here. I created this variable, and for type I will use this icon layer, and I will make it Mapbox layer. As you know from my previous tutorial, we have to create a Mapbox layer using deck.gl icon layer class. So now we are done. Let me save it and go to the browser again. So if we see, our browser is loading here. So nothing is happening here. Let me check what happened. Okay, so ID icon layer cannot read property reading coordinate get position. Okay, so I think we are not getting here. Okay, so I misspelled here. now our bug is solved. So you see, we are getting these beautiful icon, but now we will use our custom icon, our custom PNGs for our purpose, and we don't want single icon for every location. So for this we have to do some more coding, and if you refer to Deckgl official website, here you have option to auto picking at icon atlas, so you can also get icon uh, dynamically using this property. Okay, so let me go to my code, and I will remove all these things, so we don't need this. And after this I will copy this code and I will paste it here. And apart from this, we don't need this icon mapping right now. And from features, I want to add these amenity list, because I want different image for different locations. So I already downloaded some icons image, so you can see they are available here. So I, according to that, I named my amenity lists here. So I will just add some property inside my map.geojson, because we don't have any property right now. So I will add it manually from here. So features dot map, a callback function, and f dot properties dot type is equal to amenities dot index I. So I am just assigning the all these amenities using this map method with this feature. Okay, so with this our data is ready. Now I will get these amenities uh, from these properties here. So from D I will go take properties and then type. So I think with this we are done. So we will get this name here, but we have to add PNG manually. So I will use plus and dot PNG. Okay, so with this I think we are done, and let me save it and go to my browser. So now you are getting different icon for your different location. So, and they are looking very amazing on map. So you can use for 3D tagging and a specific location. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is informative for you, so please like and subscribe my channel. I will come up with in next tutorial I will come up text layer, so that you can add some labeling over your location. Like you get these labelings from uh, Mapbox GL directly, but you can also add some custom labels over your map. Thank you guys.